Hi friends, today we are going to start chapter number 12, 12.1, class 8, math. So we are starting with question number 3rd, first part, and the question says that bracket 30 plus 4 minus 1 bracket close multiply 2 square. So now we have to do this question and find the value. So see, I have noted this question here and now we will do its answer. So the answer that we have to find is, first see, there is 30 and 30 power is 1. So we will write as 1 and the 4 is there and 1 upon. So we will write here 1, 1 plus 4, 1. Okay? No. We have to write this like this. 1, 1 plus 1 4. Okay, now we have to multiply 4 because 2, if we multiply 2 is equal to 4, so the answer gives us 4. So we will write here 4. So now we have to first see the expand value and we have to see that 1 is 3. But if we do like this, that like we have to take this value as 5, so we will write as 5 by 4. You have to take value 5. Okay, multiply sign and 4. So now we have to cut 4 and 4 and now the answer will be 5. Okay, 5 comes from here. Okay, 5 comes from here, all three of these. 1. Okay, first we have to write the this also. 4 plus 1 by 1, 4 is equal to multiplied by 4. So like this 5 came. Okay, 5 came like this as 4 plus 1 because 4 and 1 here. 4 plus 1 and down we have to write 4. Okay, one more time 4. There will be 2 times 4. Okay, there will be 2 times 4. So we will write as 4 plus 1 underline means divide sign, and then we have to write 4 and then we have to multiply 4. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 and 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, and we have to cut 4 and 4, so the answer will be 5 answer. Okay, now you understand. Now coming to the second part. So the second part says that bracket 2 minus 1 multiplied by 4 minus 1 bracket close multiplied by 2 minus 2. So now we have noted question number second here and now we will do its answer. So now we have to multiply 2 multiply 4. 2 4s are 8. So the minus 1 and minus 1. So you will write minus 1 divided by 2 minus 2 is equal to 4. So as I told you earlier that divide sign will be changed into minus and multiply sign will change into plus. So now we have to write 1 8 multiply. Okay, now we have to multiply this. Okay, now we have to multiply because we will take cross multiplication of this as 4 1. Okay, now we have to cut 8 and 4. Okay, so this comes in 2 table. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So the answer will come is equal to 1 by 2 is our answer of the second part. So now coming to the third part. The third part says that bracket 1 by 2 bracket close minus 2 plus bracket 1 by 3 bracket close minus 2 plus bracket 1 by 4 bracket close minus 2. So guys, now I have written this question here and now we will do its answer. So the answer will like, first we have to change this 2 upside and 1 downside. So now we have to do this at all and the minus sign will change into positive. So like this way, 2 by 1, 2 plus 3 by 1, 2 plus 4 by 1, 2. Okay, now the 2 is everywhere because 2 is of 1, also 2 is of 1, also 2 is of 1 also here. So we will write it like this: 2 2 1 2, no bracket. Now 3 2 1 2 plus 4 2 1 2. Okay, now we have to multiply 2 as 2 times and 3 as 3 times. Sorry, 2 as 2 times, 3 as 2 times, and 4 as 2 times. Okay, now 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16. Okay, now we have to write 1 here, 1 and here 1, and then here 1. So now what we will do, like, we have to plus 4 9 16 because there is no value of 1. Okay, so 16 plus 9 is equal to 4 plus 16 is equal to 20, and 20 plus 9 is equal to 29. So the answer will 29, and 1 is our answer of the third part. Now coming to the fourth part. So the fourth part says as bracket 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus 5 minus 1 bracket close 0 whole power 0. Okay, so now we will write it on the notebook. So now we have written it on the notebook, and now we are going to do its answer. So the whole power is 0, so there will be all in cut and the answer will remain 1, because as we seen here earlier at this part, that at this part we have seen that we have done like this, that 3 power is 0 here, so we have put 3 0 as 1 1 and 1. Okay, so now we have to do this question as like this. So as I have seen, the answer is 1 because his these all power is 0, so the answer will be 1. So now coming to the fifth part. So now the fifth part says that bracket inside bracket minus 2 bracket close divided by 3 minus 2 and whole power 2. Okay, now we have to do this answer on the notebook. So now you can see I have noted down the answer question. Okay, sorry, I have said answer. I have noted down the question, and now we have to do its answer. So how we will do? First we will rotate this as 3 upwards and minus 2 downwards. So we will write as bracket 3 minus 2 bracket close, inside bracket close, and then the minus 2 power is negative, so it will change into positive now. Okay, like 2, and here also 2. Okay, now we have to multiply 3 as 2 times and 3 as again 2 times, like we have to write as 3 3 3 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 81. No, not like this. We have to first do like this. Okay, so see here, first there is 3, so we have to write 3 as 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9, and 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. So we will write here 81, and then we have to write 2's power, 2 power. Okay, so now what we will do, 2 2s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. So now we will write here 16. So this is whole our answer of the fifth part. So thanks for watching.